Marianne in Virginia is on the line with a roofing question. What can we do for you today?
We had a terrible windstorm here about a month ago, and it just wreaked havoc to the roof. There were a lot of loose tiles.
What kind of roof do you have, Marianne?
It's just a basic asphalt roof.
Asphalt
right
shingle
now.
roof?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, you said tiles. Just want to make sure we knew what kind of shingle you had, okay?
Right, and there's just like one layer of shingles on. And so the question that I have really is, the roof is only like 17 years old, and I know just from living there 16 of those years that we're going to get these windstorms. And what I would like to know is what would be a good roof to replace this with, or should we put like a second roof on top of it, or a metal roof?
Okay, so kind of a multi-part question. First of all, let me ask you, how long do you expect to stay in the house, Marianne?
Oh, a good while.
Like a good while, like the entire life of the new roof?
Sure.
Okay, so here's what I would suggest. First of all, if you're going to be in the house a long time, we always recommend removing the first layer of shingles, not putting a second layer on. And here's why. If you put a second layer of shingles on, because the first layer is underneath, it tends to act as sort of a heat sink. And because it stays hotter and warmer longer, it more quickly evaporates the oils and different materials that are in the shingles and causes them to fail quicker. So the cooler the roof, the better. Take off the first layer of shingles. And so far as making sure that the roof is not going to blow off, there are high wind resistant shingles that you can buy.
And Owens Corning, they make a very attractive sort of dimensional looking asphalt shingle that I want to say goes up to 120 miles. So an hour, I would start off with their website, but you definitely want to get a roofing shingle that's made to withstand high winds. And there are even some that will maintain, higher wind gusts there if, say you're in Miami-Dade County. But I don't think you need to be, that crazy.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Marianne. Good luck with that project. Thanks so much for calling us at 888-MONEY-PIT.